Hi everyone, welcome to Murari's Finance channel. So as we discussed in previous videos regarding mutual funds and types of mutual funds, today we will discuss about fourth category, that is liquid mutual funds. This liquid mutual funds are especially money to invest in liquid format. Next are liquid mutual funds. So these invest in high liquid instruments and perfectly suitable for shorter financial related goals and perfect for parking funds for shorter duration. The example, Access Liquid Mutual Fund. You can invest money in any one of the liquid mutual fund which are available in market. Please remember that always take your financial advisor session or expert sessions before invest your money into any of the mutual fund. So these invest in short term and highly profit making within short interval. So there may be a risk. Always remember that if you want money in shorter duration, you have to bear for the high risk as well. So if market corrections or market fluctuations happened, you always face corrections in the mutual fund as well. So that's why always remember that before invest your money in any mutual fund, take financial advisor session or expert sessions. Always read all instructions given by concerned mutual fund so that you will get the better idea, and always review and operate your mutual funds on a regular basis so that you will understand how market is behaving with your mutual fund with respect to your mutual fund so that you will get a better idea and you can plan your financial goal or financial growth accordingly. I hope you all find this video useful. Please, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you will get notification updates immediately without any further delay. Thank you so much once again. See you soon. Jai Hind.